In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Clickup. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or consolidating files from various sources, importing your data efficiently can save you time and ensure your workflow gets up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Clickup account. If you're not already signed in, head to the Clickup website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the space where you'd like to import your data. It's crucial to have a clear idea of where the new information will be housed, as Clickup organizes tasks into spaces, folders, and lists. Ensuring you have the right space selected will make the rest of the process seamless. Once you're in the correct space, look for the Import option. This can usually be found in your sidebar under the Spaces header. Click on the Import button to reveal a variety of options, allowing you to import data from different sources. Clickup is compatible with several popular platforms such as Asana, Trello, and Jira, among others. Select the platform from which you're moving your data. If you're importing from a CSV file, for example, you'll select that option. For those choosing CSV, familiarize yourself with the correct format. The CSV file should have columns labeled for each element of your data, like task name, description, due date, etc. Before uploading, it's a good idea to double-check your file to ensure that everything is in order, avoiding any potential issues during import. Go ahead and click on the file you want to upload. Clickup will prompt you to map your data. This step is all about matching the columns in your CSV file with task attributes in Clickup such as task name, description, priority, and due date. Take your time and be meticulous here, as this mapping will directly influence how your tasks appear once imported. After mapping your data accurately, initiate the import process by clicking on the Import button. Clickup will take it from there, working behind the scenes to bring your data into the platform. This may take a few moments, especially if you're importing a large dataset, so don't worry if it takes some time. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation that your data has been successfully imported. You should take a moment to review everything. Navigate through your newly imported tasks to ensure they appear as expected. Checking that all elements, such as due dates and priorities, are correctly displayed will ensure no details were lost. Finally, if you encounter any issues or find something amiss, don't panic. Clickup offers extensive support resources, including guides and a responsive support team ready to assist you with troubleshooting any problems that might arise. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import data into Clickup. With your information seamlessly transferred, you're now free to harness Clickup's full potential to manage your tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!